Welcome to Brazil. I'm Felipe Rabelo, a Macpaul Global Educator, and I'm here to show you how to use the revolutionary one single step professional keratin by Macpaul. Let's do it. Divide the hair in main sections, then you apply Macpaul Professional Keratin in smaller and thin sections. Use a comb to spread the product thoroughly, and make sure all the length of the hair receives the treatment. Don't touch the scalp. Now let's talk about the waiting time. If you're looking for a frizz reduction, you can leave the product processing for half an hour, but if you want a pin straight result, leave the product processing for 90 minutes. Rinse the hair only for a few seconds, using only water. Don't use shampoo. Then you towel dry the hair. Now we're gonna blow dry the hair. It's very important to blow dry the hair in thin sections, pressuring the roots down with as much tension as possible. Now regarding the flat ironing process, it's important to remember if you're looking for a frizz reduction effect, you can iron the hair between 4 to 6 times. If you're looking for a pin straight result, you can iron the hair between 10 to 12 times. It's important to use our professional judgment when choosing the right temperature for the flat iron. result of Macpaul Professional Keratin. Guys, look how shiny and healthy it looks. The result is really amazing. I hope you guys liked it.